In 2001, a poor student sat in a small classroom in rural India. His school had no computers. His family had very little money, and his future looked uncertain. That student's name was Arun Sharma. Arun struggled with English every day. He felt shy. He felt afraid to speak. Other students spoke better than him. But today, Arun is a successful engineer working with an international company. He speaks English with confidence. He teaches others to believe in themselves. This is the story of how that transformation happened. Imagine feeling small because you cannot speak well. Imagine knowing you are smart, but people do not see it. This was Arun's life. Everything changed when Arun made one small decision. He decided not to quit. This story will teach you how patience, practice, and belief can change your life. The story takes place in Uttar Pradesh, India. This area is busy, crowded, and full of young people. But many families live with limited money. Education is important, but resources are few. English is taught in schools, but often without practice. Many students can read English but cannot speak it. Arun Sharma was born in 1986. He grew up in a small village. His father was a shop worker. His mother stayed at home. Arun was a quiet child. He liked books, he liked learning, but he was not confident. He felt nervous when speaking English. He worried about making mistakes. Mistakes made him feel discouraged. Discouraged means feeling sad and without hope. Arun's family income was low. They could not pay for private English classes. There were no English-speaking environments near his home. At school, teachers focused on exams. Students memorized grammar rules. But speaking practice was rare. Arun understood English on paper, but when he tried to speak, his mind stopped. Arun wanted a better future. He dreamed of working in technology. He dreamed of traveling and meeting people. But English stood in his way. One day, a teacher said something important. English is not talent. English is a skill. A skill means something you can learn with practice. That day, Arun made a decision. He decided to practice English every day, but the journey would not be easy. First attempts, Arun started small. He read English textbooks aloud. He spoke to himself at night. At first, it felt strange. His pronunciation was poor. His sentences were slow. Sometimes he felt foolish. Sometimes he wanted to stop. He failed many times, but each failure taught him something. Failure means not succeeding, but learning. But Arun didn't give up. Instead, he decided to practice more. Day after day, Arun practiced. He listened to English radio programs. He watched simple English videos. He repeated words again and again. Repetition means doing something many times. Arun kept a notebook. He wrote 5 new words every day. He used them in sentences. Slowly, he noticed change. He understood more. He spoke a little faster. This gave him confidence. Confidence means belief in yourself. Day after day, Arun worked on his English. Arun made sacrifices. He woke up early to study. He slept late to practice. He said no to games with friends. He saved money instead of spending it. There were moments of doubt. He asked himself, is this worth it? Doubt means feeling unsure. But Arun remembered his dream. He wanted change. He wanted growth. There were moments when Arun wanted to quit. But then he remembered why he started. One day, Arun met a Mumbai college senior. The senior spoke English well than other Indians. He said something simple, speak badly, but speak. That advice changed everything. Arun started speaking English daily, even with mistakes, even with fear. This was the turning point. From this moment, things began to change. In 2006, Arun passed a college interview in India. The interview was in English. He spoke slowly, but clearly. The interviewer listened, and Arun was selected. This was his first major victory. He felt proud. He felt strong. Success means achieving your goal. This moment proved something important. Effort brings results. Arun did not stop. He joined group discussions. He helped others practice English. Teaching helped him learn more. He read English newspapers daily, not Hindi newspapers. He listened to international news. His vocabulary grew. Vocabulary means the words you know. He made mistakes, but fewer than before. Arun started thinking in English. This made speaking easier. Step by step, his English improved. In 2009, Arun faced a challenge. He moved to a big city. People spoke fast English. At first, he felt lost. He felt small again. But Arun remembered his journey from Indian rural village to Indian city. He adapted. Adapt means to change for a new situation. He listened carefully. He practiced harder. Slowly, he adjusted. This challenge made him stronger. In 2015, Arun achieved his dream. He joined an international company. English was the main language. He worked with people from many countries. He spoke confidently. He shared ideas clearly. This was his peak achievement. Not fame, not money, but confidence. Arun now helps students learn English. He shares his story. He tells them, you can do this too. His legacy is simple. Hope first. Arun taught us that practice matters more than talent. He was not special. He practiced daily. Because of this, he improved. Second, Arun showed us that fear is normal. He felt fear, but he spoke anyway. Courage means acting despite fear. Lesson 3. Small steps create big change. Third, Arun proved that small steps matter. 5 words a day, 10 minutes of practice. These steps changed his life.
Just like Aaron learned English through daily practice, you can learn English through stories. Aaron faced doubt. You may face doubt too. But progress comes with patience. Apply Aaron's lesson today. Practice a little. Every day. This story is not only about English. It is about belief. It is about growth. If you stay consistent, change will come. Today, Aaron continues to grow. He continues to learn. His journey shows us something powerful. Change is possible You have just learned Aaron's story. You have also practiced your English. You listened. You understood. That is progress. Thank you for learning today. There are many more stories waiting for you. Keep learning. Keep growing. Please comment about our story. And I will see you in the next story.